The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is the expected sequel to the current best foldable phone you can buy. But if Samsung wants to keep that title, it will need to step up its game. After a couple of years of smaller Z Fold updates, we're hoping to see a bigger ones with the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Competition is only heating up with devices, especially now that the Google Pixel Fold has made its debut and will begin shipping in June. A foldable from Motorola is on the way, too, and one from OnePlus is likely to follow soon. So how does Samsung maintain its edge? Leading Galaxy Z Fold 5 rumors point to a new water drop hinge design that could minimize the crease, a lighter build, a faster processor and possible camera upgrades. Here's the latest Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 rumors and leaks and what we want to see. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 possible price and availability. Samsung hasn't set an exact date, but that's where the rumor mill comes in. The most definitive rumor to date places the Galaxy Unpacked launch event on July 26, with multiple sources citing that date, assuming the July 26 report is accurate. A Korean publication expects the global launch of Samsung's new foldables, that includes the Galaxy Z Flip 5 alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 5, to take place on August 11. For the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 design and display, according to reputable tech leaker Ice Universe, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 will have very few design differences from the Fold 4. But it will be noticeably slimmer and marginally more compact. It'll also weigh a little less, too. How much thinner are we talking? According to leaker Steve Hemmerstoffer, Samsung has found a way of making this the thinnest Galaxy Z Fold handset yet. Hemmerstoffer reveals the handset's dimensions to be 154.9 by 129.9 by 6.3 mm unfolded or 154.9 by 67.1 by 13.5 when closed. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 was between 14.2 and 15.8 mm thick when closed. The screens of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 should be a 6.2-inch outer display and a 7.6-inch inner display, both using 120Hz refresh rates and OLED panels going by previous models. We had hoped Samsung may enlarge the cover screen, but Ice Universe reckons that's not happening. That inner display may change by having a larger, but shallower, crease, at least according to Samsung's previous comments. Doing so makes the line through the display less visible overall. Another rumor suggests that Samsung could eliminate the crease completely on the Fold 5 with a new, water drop, type hinge. The new structure could work by allowing some portion of the inner screen to roll inside the phone's main body to prevent the display from creasing. Samsung apparently calls this mechanism a dumbbell type hinge internally, and the company reportedly patented this design back in 2016. Thanks to this new dumbbell hinge design, the durability of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 might improve as well, and it will be able to withstand more folding and opening in its lifetime. According to the elect, Samsung is aiming to test the new hinge to 300,000 folds, 50% more than the Z Fold 4's 200,000. The report also claims that the Z Fold 5 will be thinner and lighter than its predecessor as a result of the new hinge design. Another alleged benefit of this hinge will be that Samsung's making it IP58 water dust resistant, an improvement on the current IPX8 rating of the Galaxy Z Fold 4. However, the design changes may mean the flexibility of the hinge is impacted, making flex mode harder to use. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment the country you are watching from. See you in my next video.